Hello, today, today we are going to build a automatic light which on light night and offs on day. For this project we need some LED, a transistor BC547 and NPN transistor. You can use any one of them. NPN transistor, an LDR having two legs, a 100 kilo ohm resistor, few wires and a breadboard. First of all we are taking a IC on the breadboard. Here is the base, emitter and collector. We are joining the base and this side of the pin with an LDR. And the LED whose longer leg is anode and the shorter leg is cathode. Cathode is connected to the emitter and anode to the positive rail of breadboard. Positive rail breadboard to the anode and cathode to the emitter of the IC. This third pin. And we are going to connect negative of the LDR, this collector, and negative to the negative rail of breadboard. This negative to the breadboard, this side negative. LDR also connected, and taking a 100 kilo ohm resistor. Base is connected to the positive rail of breadboard. Base is connected to the positive rail of breadboard. This is connected to the positive rail of breadboard. Now connecting the power to the breadboard. Negative to negative, positive to positive. You have seen, if I put my hands on it, it will glow, and if I put my hand, it will glow. If I put my hand, it will glow. No, it's moving, it's not fixed, so we're going to make it on PCB also. As you can see, if I put my hand, this will glow. Now we are going to make it on PCB. Now from here, this side you can see. You can see, if I put this, all part are moving, so this is not going to make it. As you can see, these are moving, so it's not nice. If I put my hand wholly. Now let's make it on PCB board.